Luxury is of course reflected in the size and price of a home, but it's also the ultra high-end features you rarely see elsewhere that make the rest of us green with envy. And in this video, I'm sharing 7 standout luxury upgrades that don't just feel indulgent, but add real measurable value to your home. Number 1 in true luxury begins at the boundary. A gated driveway doesn't just provide security, it announces privacy, status and control. It tells the world access is by invitation only, there's no surprises and no salespeople at the door. A gated entry draws a very clear line between public and private, and whether it's a minimalistic steel gate or a grand arrival flanked by stone and iron, this feature delivers instant presence and lasting sense of exclusivity long before anyone's even stepped 1 foot inside. Number 2, a scullery is the ultimate status symbol, not just for convenience, but also for refinement and control. It helps keep the main kitchen immaculate no matter the occasion, while all the prep, cooking and chaos unfolds discreetly out of sight. Fully equipped with a second dishwasher, prep sink and oven, it supports a seamless lifestyle where hosting looks effortless. And let's be honest, nothing screams luxury more than a second kitchen just to keep your first one clean. Number 3 in luxury homes, outdoor space is certainly no afterthought. It's a continuation of the lifestyle, and the best ones are designed to feel like a private resort right at home. Covered lounges, vaulted ceilings, fully equipped outdoor kitchens, fire features, and of course, pool and spa all work together to create an environment that's both indulgent and extravagant. Spaces like this don't just impress, they suggest freedom, privacy and ease, a place to entertain, unwind and live beautifully. And when a home offers that, the price becomes secondary. Number 4, forget about the basement home movie theatre with velvet curtains and framed movie posters. In today's luxury homes, the media room has evolved into something far more sophisticated. These are immersive, design-driven spaces with multiple screens, a custom bar, tiered lounge seating and ambient lighting. It's about indulgence, a space that's unapologetically luxurious and designed for nothing but enjoyment. Number 5 is the office, a statement space designed for presence and purpose. Think elaborate coffered ceilings, custom bookcases with built-in sliding ladders and a sleek TV built into the cabinetry. Every detail signals substance. A composed private environment that goes beyond productivity. It's all about living and working with distinction. Next up, in a luxury home, the primary closet isn't just a storage space, it's a private retreat. It's a room designed for ritual, for presentation, and for the quiet pleasure of starting and ending the day, surrounded by things that express who you are. This is where personal style is celebrated, where collections, be they shoes, watches, handbags or heirlooms, are thoughtfully displayed instead of being hidden away. And uniquely, it's a space entirely for the sole enjoyment of the homeowner, and it's one of the most personal luxuries a home can have. And finally, number 7 is the garage, which in luxury homes is treated as a full design experience, not just a utility space. And I'm not just talking about epoxy floors and overhead storage, but climate controlled, fully customized space. Think car lifts, designer lighting, integrated technology, built-in audio and deluxe bespoke cabinetry. It's not just functional, it's a complete flex. So those are the 7 luxury upgrades which I feel take a home to the next level. Let me know in the comments if you agree or if you think I missed something out. And remember in the introduction where I said there's one luxury but attainable kind of everyday feature which I feel makes a massive difference to every home. Want to know what it is? Custom draperies. And I'm not talking about what you can get off the shelf at Target or order on Amazon. I'm talking about fully lined, perfectly tailored, made to fall and hang just right, because they add a layer of warmth, softness and sophistication that instantly elevates every single room. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my deep dive into 7 luxury features that add thousands to your home value. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.